Heart, easy definition. The heart is a strong, muscular organ about the size of your fist. It is located slightly to the left side of your chest, between the lungs. Its main job is to pump blood throughout the body. Functions of the heart: pumps oxygen rich blood to all parts of the body, receives oxygen poor blood from the body, sends blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen, keeps nutrients and oxygen flowing to all organs. Parts of the heart: the heart has four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber because it pumps blood to the entire body. How the heart works: oxygen poor blood enters the right atrium. It moves to the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps it to the lungs. The lungs add oxygen to the blood. Oxygen rich blood returns to the left atrium. It moves to the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps it to the whole body. Heartbeat: a normal adult heart beats about 60 to 100 times per minute at rest. Each beat pumps blood through the body. Simple definition: the heart is a muscular organ that continuously pumps blood to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body and removes waste products.